What's up, guys? Back again. So there's an air filter in the blower housing that filters the air before it comes in the cabin. So you'll take everything out of your glove box, and there's this little inset piece that you take off, pop it up, comes out. Has this one little tab that's in the corner. It needs to come up. Okay. Now, if you see down here, this needs to come up. That'll come up. When it comes up, it has these tabs on the side that you pull in. It's right on the side, okay? And you'll see there's other tabs right here. Push the tab in, push the other tab in. Start wiggling out. That comes down. They're out of the way. You're gonna have a filter that you need to pull out of there. I got something for that. Got one of these little hooks. So we'll go ahead and grab that, pull it out. Look at that filthy thing. So we'll clean this off. I will clean this one out, but for the video, I'll clean it out later. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these cabin filters that I bought, and we'll put this in. So, these are the replacements if you don't have a K&N. So, like this. So airflow going down. We'll take this out. Okay, so in reverse order, we're gonna come down here, put this little clip in. Okay, that's in. We'll put this in. This side up. Pops in place. So we're good to go. So it calls for you to change this every 15,000 miles. You want to clean it out because you don't want it clogged up to where you can't get good airflow for your AC unit. And also you don't want to overwork the blower motor. You just save $50 doing this job yourself. It costs about $50 at the dealership. Give it a little clean out. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. See you on the next one.